So the next pullout had sun on the far side of the highway, but I still couldn't cross the river. So I came over on this side. Not too long of a hike at all. And holy woo! So this has got to be one of the most incredible sights like, look where I am. Highway. Right there. And this place wow. Clearly on top of something flowing, so I don't want to get too close to that edge. And this is well, that is unreal. I'm gonna grab the drone and see if I can get some better shots of this. And then before the day's over, I would still love to go check out the sunny side. So there it is. Let me get my mug out of this. I'm so stoked to find something like this 2 minutes from the highway. How cool is that? Hopefully I got some epic drone shots today. I'm very thankful I did not crash the drone. I'm still new to this whole YouTube thing, so hopefully this was an enjoyable video to watch. If you have watched this far, thank you for your support. Give me a thumbs up, I would really appreciate that. And if you want to see more videos like this, then hit that subscribe button. I absolutely love coming out, just adventuring in the mountains. Waterfalls are one of my favorite things. I love doing Wim Hof type stuff. There was unfortunately nowhere safe enough to do that here today. I'm into gold panning. I want to try panning under one of these things. So subscribe for more, and I will keep these things coming. Man, that thing's real. Love Revelstoke. Love everything around Revelstoke. Ah. Back to the highway. It's got to be like a 2-minute walk. One of the best bang for the bucks out there, I'd say. Wow. Yeah.